Hi, this is Dominic from Paphos Life, and I'm at Potima Bay on Friday. I did a drone film here a few days ago, and I featured the CU Beach Bar. And since that footage, CU Beach Bar announced that they were closing, and they've now got bulldozers here. So I thought I'd film it, show you what the exact latest is. They've also cleared a lot of the wasteland that was next to the bar. So whatever's coming here looks like it might be rather large. But we're going to have a little wander down and see what we can see. You should always pay attention to these riptide signs, by the way, because they're put there for reasons. There have been lots of fatalities in the past, but they have lifeguards here now in season. Long vehicles coming in there, so I'll try and avoid that. Oh, you can't see what I'm talking about, can you? There you go. I was going to walk there, but I will go this way instead. It's out of their way. So, as to why the CU Beach Bar is no more, there was a message posted on the CU Beach Bar's Facebook page which stated that due to a miscommunication with the municipality, their plot has basically gone to somebody else. Now, I'm not going to comment on that because I don't know any more than that, and it's important that when I do these films that I only post facts. But I would say that unless you know exactly what's going on, be careful what you say on social media, because there have been cases where people have speculated and made out and out accusations and got into trouble in the courts, and the last thing you want to do is to get involved with the Cypriot court system. So all I can say is keep an eye on the CU Beach Bar Facebook page to see if there are any updates on there. But there's going to be some drone footage as well, which I'm poignant really, because I only filmed it a few days ago, and it was in, obviously, for CU Beach Bar happier times, because I mean the bar's been here since this used to just be all gravel years ago, and it's gradually got better, and the bar's been it throughout all that time, so it's kind of sad to see it go. But we'll have a bit more of a look. There's one of the sunset points of Paphos up there. I suppose I could walk up to there, because I will, well, I've already published an article by the time you see this film, even though I haven't actually written the article yet. But I intend the article to go out on Friday, today, and this film to go out Saturday. But I'll intersperse this film with, well, not intersperse, it will just be me waffling for a bit, then I'll put the drone footage that I filmed here this morning, so you can get a better look at what's going on from up above. Other than that, weather-wise, it's gorgeous here at the moment. For certain parts of Cyprus, it's going to be in the 30s. It must be getting close to that here. Back of my head, because I haven't got my hat on, it's feeling a bit warm, so this isn't going to be a very long film. Last thing I need is to come down with a bit of sunstroke. A quick pan back. But yeah, I'll publish, I'll stick the drone footage on the end of this so you'll get a much better view. So there's a lovely heart. One of the many sunset points of Paphos, for obvious reasons. Very calm sea. And what was once the CU Beach Bar. I wish the owners the best of luck in their future endeavours though. And we'll see you in the next film. Cheers.